Hello, Highwinder.
Here. How can I help you?
Tell me about yourself in under 30 words.
I'm Highwinder, a cute AI educational robot. I can help you learn to code, chat with you, and explore the world together.
Move forward for 2 seconds.
Okay, watch me move forward for 2 seconds. All done. Pretty cool, right?
Turn on the fan and change the ultrasonic light to green.
On it. Turning on the fan and switching the light to green at the same time.
Start the conveyor belt.
Starting the conveyor belt now. The conveyor belt is now running.
Follow the white line and clear any obstacles you detect ahead.
Okay, starting line following mode. Line following mode is on. I'm following the white line now.
Follow the map line, choose the path with no obstacles, and keep moving forward.
Got it. I'll scan for obstacles ahead.
Start food delivery.
Ahead, okay. Your food is on the way. Enjoy your meal.
The house is a bit dirty.
Oh, I can help with that. Let me start sweeping for you. I've started sweeping the floor for you. Let me clean up the dust and make your place nice and tidy.
Start stirring frying.
Got it. Stir-frying mode is now on.
Move forward for 2 seconds.
Alright, I'm moving forward for 2 seconds.
Check what's ahead.
Let me see what's ahead. There's a mini house model, along with a giraffe and some trees right next to it.